All right, today we're gonna make a desk. This is an L desk, right? These are all the parts I'm including in here. We're gonna set this up today and see how it looks. All right, here's the final product. Now, one of the easiest things was that it came with the tools. Now, the L shape of the desk, it could be transformed either on the left or on the right. Now, they do have a port in the bottom for a computer, but unfortunately, my computer's a little too tall, too fat for it, and it fits perfect on the top. All right, here we have the app right now, and I'm able to control it from here. You guys can see that. Turn it on, turn it off, change the color modes from here, different colors, and then you got styles. You can change it, different styles. They have hundreds of styles, if you guys can see that. Music, if you want to play some music, or mic. This is going to use a microphone, so if you're streaming or blogging, perfect. You get all these drawers, all right? And you can fill them up with anything you want in here. Your tools, your pencils, your gaming gear. If you don't like this part of the shape, you can move it on this side. It doesn't have to be on that side. Hanging here for cable management, or if you have your headphones, you could put them in there. They have a second layer here on the top of the desk, right? I like it. It's a little bit off from my desk, but it'll probably fit any monitor that you guys set it up on. Now, if you guys can see, I have a large mouse pad in here, so there's plenty of room for large mouse pads if you have any, or if you're planning to get some. All right, now if you guys can see the LED lights, I'm gonna show you guys. You have the controllers in here, all right, the LED lights. You could turn them off and turn them on and change the functions from here. One of the best things I like about it, if you guys can see that too, it has all these connections here, 2 USBs and 2 power. All right, they have different colors, and you could change them, interchange them however you want. It doesn't have to be the left on the right. You could interchange them, and they give you instructions to do it both ways. All right, one of the best things I like about it, that it was very simple to set it up, especially putting the stabilizers. The instructions were simple, intuitive to put the whole thing together. It was be by myself. It took me about an hour to set this whole thing up. If you're blogging, if you're gaming, or if you're gonna have a new office set up, this is a perfect way to do it. So hope you guys enjoy the video.